Chuck Shive here with C.R. Onsrud's Chips and Tips. Today we're going to show you the advantages of an automated pusher sweeper system by comparing it side by side with a manual offloading process. Without further ado, let's see these two systems side by side. As you can see, we have started the timer after each machine has finished its cycle on sheet 1, and we'll be stopping the timer when each machine begins processing sheet 2. We're not comparing cycle cut times, but rather chip-to-chip time between sheets. While these machines are being offloaded, let's talk about some of the differences between the two systems. One of the major advantages that comes with the pusher sweeper system is its offload table. This allows finished parts to be pushed off the machining bed onto the offload table so a new sheet can be loaded. Additionally, the pusher sweeper system cleans off its own table and cleans off the top and bottom of your finished parts as they traverse from the machining bed to the offload table. As you can see, during a manual offload, cleaning the dust off your table and parts without a pusher sweeper adds significant time to the offloading process and makes for a messy work area. As predicted, the pusher sweeper takes the win with a 58-second chip-to-chip time, and the manual offload with 148-second chip-to-chip time. So, the pusher sweeper is faster and cleaner, but what does that mean for you? Let's say you run 50 sheets of material per 8-hour shift. Between each of these sheets, you will be saving 89 seconds. This means you'll be saving 71 minutes each shift with the pusher sweeper system versus a manual system. That's an extra hour plus of production every day, which can add up to a significant return on your investment over time. If you're looking to increase your shop's efficiency, contact us today about our automated pusher sweeper option and other machine options that can be added to increase your productivity. That's it for today's episode. Be safe, stay healthy. I'm Chuck Shive. Thanks for tuning in.